Rigathi, uko on record juzi umekuja kuambia vijana at let us amalgamate or group ourselves into groups so that we can defend our community.
I have consulted with elders last night and we have agreed that we have been very tolerant and submissive. We are going to mobilize our young people to protect the community from goons and police. Yes. We mobilize our young people to protect our churches, to protect our leaders, to protect our businesses, to protect our meetings.
Bana, if we go to that direction, yule William Samoei Ruto kwa sababu akona supporters wake, aambie vijana wa community wake mjipange. Musalia aende Western aambie vijana wake mjipange. Joe aende Coast aambie vijana wake mjipange. Viongozi wa Luo Nyanza aambie vijana mjipange. Which kind of our country are we going to have? Bana, let us be serious our country. That stupidity, nonsense, tuache kama vijana. Vijana tufungue macho na tujue viongozi ambao wanataka kutransform this country. Viongozi ambao wanataka kuemploy vijana. Viongozi ambao wanataka kutransform healthcare, agriculture, infrastructure of our country. Lakini yule kiongozi ambajo anakuja analeta vijana, anawa incite against other tribe, ana incite vijana.
Right to self-defense is provided in our constitution. The community will avail its capacity to defend itself. And what happened yesterday is a template that nobody will intimidate this community again.
Analeta economical sabotage. Anaambia vijana mjipange into groups ati mjidefend. So what is the purpose of our police officers in this country? Juzi tumeona hapo hata Olkalau vijana wanasimamisha polisi na polisi walitii hiyo amri. They searched their bags na polisi walisikiza. So hii mambo, hii direction ambayo tunachukua Rigathi, I can tell you hata itafika mahali ambapo hapo hiyo community ya William Ruto pia wanaweza sema wajipange pia wa defend president wao. Kwa sababu miaka 10 Uhuru alikuwa uongozi, hakuna mtu yote alisumbua Uhuru. Kibaki alikuwa uongozi, 1144 young people were killed. Raia ya Uhuru ya Kibaki. 500,000 young people were displaced. Families zilipoteza familia zao. Alafu sasa unakuja kutuambia nini? Bana, let us give William Samoei Ruto time. Kama unataka kumtoa 2027 tarehe 10 mwezi wa 8, that is the opportunity ya kumtoa. Lakini hii direction tunachukua, I can tell you we are beating drums of war. Na maneno ikiharibika, mimi sijui mahali tunaelekea as a country. We cannot afford to lose a beautiful country. We cannot afford to lose a fertile and arable country. We cannot afford to be citizens in a different country. Hatuwezi kubali kuenda pale Uganda ati sisi sasa ni watu ambao tumeshindwa kumanage our country. Hatuwezi afford kuenda Tanzania ati tusaidiwe na Tanzania. And we have a good country which is leading economically in East and Central Africa. Sasa viongozi vijana, nataka niwaambie, let us be careful. Hizi mambo za tribalism, let us look our country, let us look at the problems which are in our country beyond tribal lenses, beyond tribal lines, beyond ethnic grouping, beyond tribal balkanization. Hizi upuzi ambazo Rigathi anatuletea, sisi tunamwangalia. Na Rigathi, I can tell you, you cannot succeed to shed blood in this country. You cannot succeed to ensure foreigners are not coming to this country. You cannot succeed to destroy the businesses of the people ambao wako pale Coast. And by your information, majority of the people who are working in hotel industry are the people from your community. Majority of the people who are employed by the hotel industry are the people from your community. So if you go to that trajectory, I can tell you, you are humiliating your people, you are humiliating the business community from your people. So if you love your community, call for a press in the coming days and ensure you withdraw your statements, because your statements are not just only inflammatory but also insightful, and you are going to bulge this nation into chaos. Thank you.